Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Hey, just want to let you know, be sure and check out the other channel. There's a link in the description below, and there's also a tab on the homepage of the YouTube. Go check that out if you want to see kind of what goes on behind the curtain here at Hillbilly RV. Today, we're here to change a refrigerator vent, just the lid on this fifth wheel. Now I'm right beside a major road here, and I'm not going to be able to block the car noise out, so the rest of this video will just have some awesome music playing in the background, and you'll just have to watch and see what I do. So let's get started.